Yo, yo, yo! Nowadays, we can get produce year-round. So, with that in mind, let's take a forgotten fall underdog and give it some new life. Welcome to Mama Reubo's kitchen. The pear. Yes, this delicious yet often ignored piece of produce is underestimated. But I have found a recipe that will revive this fruit in a sweet and salty way, and it'll give your taste buds something to talk about. It's fairly simple, so let's get into it. Now first, the pears. Now, you'll need 3 of them, and you'll want a firm type. So the type you can be looking for is either like the green or red Anjou, or the Bosque. Now, you can also use the Seckle. They're perfect too, if you kind of want a bite-sized appetizer. Now, what you'll want to do is just cut each of them in half lengthwise. And then what you'll want to do is remove the core. Now you can use either a small spoon, or if you have a melon baller, that will work perfectly. Now place the pears cut side up on a baking sheet and then brush each one with a little bit of butter. Alrighty, so now I have preheated my broiler and I'm just going to put them under the broiler for about 4 minutes. Now we're not looking to cook them, we're just looking to get them heated through. So I've taken them from under the broiler and I've just set them aside so we can work on our filling. Alright, and now for the filling. So you'll want 6 slices of bacon and you'll want to chop them finely. I find the easiest way to achieve this is to use kitchen shears. It just makes the process so much easier than using a knife. Now, you can use pancetta instead of bacon if you can find it. Alright, now I have 2 stalks of green onions that I just want to finely chop. Alright, and now I have a slice of bread that I'm just going to remove the crusts, and then I'm going to pulse it in a food processor to give me about 3/4 cup of fresh white breadcrumbs. And I'm just grating some Parmesan. I want to get about 1/3 of the cup. Alright, so now what we want to do is saute these in a pan with some butter, and we just want to cook them until the onions are soft, but don't brown them. Alright, and so now we just add the breadcrumbs to the pan and mix. Top the pears with the baking mixture and then sprinkle with Parmesan. And then these go back under the broiler until golden brown. Serve warm as an appetizer or as a side dish. It's like a dish that's different enough to seem fancy AF, but simple and of course, deliciousness on a plate. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more, and comment any ideas, thoughts, or personal experiences. And you can connect on any of my social media listed in the description box below. And thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.